Good afternoon, friends. This is Ayan, and welcome to Ayan's Trading Club, Billionaire Traders Club. So, friends, we are. This is almost 2 o'clock on 28th of October 2021, and markets are down at the moment. We have already seen that Asian markets closed in negative. Now, European markets, concentrating on European markets, German markets has closed in the negative -42. London markets down by -31. CAC slightly up by 3 points. Euro stocks also flattish. We already seen that the US markets were had closed in negative. S&P at this moment, S&P VIX at this moment is slightly up by about 0.10 points. Nifty, Bank Nifty, BSE Sensex in deep negative. Nifty 50 down by 1.41%. BSE Sensex down by 1.20%. Nifty Bank down by 2.28%, almost 1,000 points down, and seems to be no chance of recovery through the day. And quickly looking into the various components, the Nifty BSE Bank, we have already seen it touching less than, it's gone below 3.63%, about 106 points down. Yeah, percentage wise, Nifty BSE Bank is highest loser. Nifty Realty, Nifty Metal, Nifty Bank are big losers. Nifty MNC Auto Infrastructure, all of them losers. Nifty Mid Cap, Small Cap among the losers, among least losers at the moment. So none of the sectors are in green. Looking into Dow futures, Dow futures as of 145 in the 15 minutes chart is again in deep red. US dollar is going even below 74.8 at 74.778, and it's dipping quite a bit. And we know that what it signifies is that soon US dollar index has jumped up at 93.885, and US crude as of 2 o'clock has moved up by at 6166 at the moment. The impacted sector probably should be gold, which has risen a bit given that Nifty and Dow futures has been falling. Bitcoin, which is showing reddish zone in the Ichimoku candle, has moved up a bit, but if we see that volumes have fallen quite a lot. Now let's quickly move on to the trading screen, and funnily enough, looking at a 3-minute candle, we have seen a big fall through the day. Futures is down by 261 points almost. Nifty spot 267 points down. We had already mentioned that below 18,200 expect a reversal, but the market is already below 18,000 today. We did, just to remind people that yesterday evening itself we did analyze that FIIs were very bearish in the market. They were selling in the cash market, they were selling in the Nifty futures, they were in the index futures, they were selling in stock futures, they were buying puts, they were in fact short, they were even reducing their positions in Nifty calls. So ultimately it has resulted in a big 200 points fall. Bank Nifty has gone down by 1000, futures has been down by 1000 points, and definitely anybody who has taken the trades based on my analysis and the way I trade would have been profited from this fall. Deepak Nitrate, as I had mentioned, had a fall, and it was 166 points down. IRCTC was another stock that we had, but it had a stock split today. Deepak Nitrate, looking at into Deepak Nitrate, it had a gap down, and since then it hasn't. It has moved in a sideways movement for quite a while on a 30 minutes chart. So anybody who is looking into Deepak Nitrate can short after some time. We had another Can Bank. It has obviously the market fall has impacted it, and there has been a huge fall in it. So as I mentioned, it is, if it is below RSI moves below 45, as I had mentioned around 12 o'clock, you can short it, and therefore those who would have shorted would have benefited. Even I booked my profits when there was proper opportunity. With this, I would finish off my opinion or my analysis of the market, and I hope to see you again in the evening. Thanks a lot, friends. See you again.